こんばんは、VR 日本語の萌です。What Japanese people do on New Year's Eve? In Western world, New Year's celebration is quite different from Japanese version. New Year's Eve is called omisoka in Japanese. In this video, I will introduce you 3 interesting things we do on omisoka, New Year's Eve in Japan. Let's get it started. Number 1, osoji, big cleaning. Osoji. Before I talk about Osoji, there's a little background story. Toshigami-sama is one of the Shinto god of rice and farming. For Japanese people, rice is super important, so as Toshigami-sama, the rice god. He's going to come and visit us on New Year's Day. So what we do to welcome Toshigami-sama is big cleaning. You want to make sure he is welcome in the clean house. Things we do on New Year's Eve in Japan. Shikoshi soba. There's also the food that we prepare for New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve special is one dish and one and only, drumroll, soba. Top 3 reasons why Japanese people eat soba on New Year's Eve. Number 1, cleansing bad spirit. Compared to other noodles, soba is easy to break while eating, so soba symbolizing breaking off the old year and hardship of the year before. Number 2, longevity. Thin and long shape is also symbolizing long and healthy life. Also, soba is very strong plant and thrive under tough weather condition. Number 3, why we started to eat soba goes back to Kamakura period. Buddhist temple has provided soba mochi, sticky rice made with soba, buckwheat, to the people who were struggling to welcome New Year. After eating the mochi, according to the story, they became more healthy and successful. So the custom of the eating soba on New Year's Eve had started then. 皆さん、そばを食べましょう。これはざるそばです。This is called ざるそば cold noodle. One of my favorite. ざるそばです。Number 3, 除夜の鐘。除夜の鐘 literally means New Year's Eve bell. Joya, Jo means getting rid of something. Ya is night, darkness. No is a particle of possession, and kane is a bell to get rid of the darkness. It can be taken that way. Bells are rung 108 times around the midnight of New Year's Eve. Why 108 times? Number 108 is said to that correspond with that of Bonno. Bonno is evil desire. Buddhist monks ring bells to get rid of the bonno. So Japanese people hear this bell ringing as a symbolic moment of welcoming New Year. Finally, to wish you have a happy New Year in Japanese, I have 2 versions depending on which time period you're in. If it is prior to midnight of 31st of December, Yoi Otoshi o, which means have a good year. Yoi Otoshi o is short of Yoi Otoshi o mukaete kudasai. Please welcome a good new year. When the date changed to the 1st of January, it will become Akemashite omedetou gozaimasu. Akeru is a verb. It means to finish and to begin. You're thinking that's such a strange verb, right? It is like ending the period and beginning the new period. It is not a common verb to be used as a normal way of finishing things and beginning things, but it is used most commonly in 2 ways. Yo ga akeru, night finish and morning came. Toshi ga akeru, year finish and new year came. Omedetou gozaimasu means congratulations. So it's like congratulations. We're able to finish last year and being able to begin new year. 明けましておめでとうございます。In English, I think it is used for before New Year and after New Year. In Japanese, it is strange to say 明けましておめでとうございます before the New Year day. So please be careful. So I would say 良いお年を as we haven't welcomed our New Year yet and reserve my 明けましておめでとうございます for my next video. それでは皆さん、良いお年をお迎えください。来年もよろしくお願いします。Thank you for watching. Have a great new year. またね